Welcome to Ellen and Nolan's Fun Zone.
Welcome to Ellen and Nolan's Fun Zone. Today we're gonna race 14 Hot Wheels cars.
14?
Yeah, versus Hot Wheels monster trucks and one monster jam versus Hot Wheel car.
Cars versus monster trucks. All right. 14 pairs. And where do they have to go down? Oh my goodness.
So cars will always be in this lane. Monster trucks will always be in this lane.
Okay.
First round.
First round. Who is it?
It's Hulk versus...
Show them to me.
It's Hulk.
Hulk versus a police car.
Okay, this is not a police car.
It's not?
It's a looking car.
It says police.
Okay, it's a police car. Do it.
And we're doing it all in a messy room.
Daddy.
All right, let's go.
So whoever goes off the orange track loses.
Yeah. Okay.
But whoever stays on it wins.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay,
Let's do it.
We don't have to say race it, go.
No? Okay. Let's do it. Whoa. Okay.
The police car wins.
Who's up next?
Wait, we gotta put the winners in the winner's circle because there's a final round.
How do we define who's a winner?
I don't know.
Is it who stays on the track or who goes the farthest or?
No, it's who stays on the orange track. That moves foot.
Okay.
And the loser's calls were here, winner's calls were here. Okay, next round, it's, what's Luigi?
Who's the next round? I can't wait.
There's a special guest. Luigi!
Oh, hey, Luigi. I'm Luigi. I want to watch some monster trucks.
So next up is Gunster versus this blast car. This is Gunster.
Gangster versus the blast car. Okay.
I call it the blast car. Simple.
Go.
I think there's no race to go.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, the car won. Did the car win last time?
Yes.
I'm wondering if the car's going to win every time.
Oh, I know because this is been so. That's why it's going off.
Oh, let's adjust the track.
Now we're gonna try again.
All right. Who do we got next?
For the next round, we're doing race haste versus this dark blue car.
Oh, cool. Blue versus blue.
Blue versus red, orange,
Yeah.
and white.
Okay.
But this blue.
What color's your shirt?
Uh,
It's also blue.
in black and white.
Yeah.
Wait.
Whoa.
It's now we're gonna do another round.
Okay, what's the next round?
5 alarm versus 5 alarm.
5 alarm versus 5 alarm. Now, hang on. You got to explain this to me. How are they both 5 alarm? Show me.
Because they both have ladders.
Oh, wow. Cool.
This one.
They're both fire trucks.
I didn't know this. This one comes up.
That's awesome. They both come up.
I didn't know that.
That's so exciting.
It's like I thought this straight out like a burner.
Oh, my goodness.
A butter. Okay, that was 5 alarms.
Whoa, they both went down.
No, actually, it's whoever stays on. Well, actually, it's if whoever stays on the truck or goes the first wins.
Okay.
That one stayed on the truck, but not like this, so he loses. If
Oh, okay.
you stay on the truck like that,
Yeah.
you lose.
Okay.
And but if you stay on the truck like this for the monster trucks, you win.
Is it possible we're making up the rules as we go?
No.
No. Okay. So it's all cars have won so far. Oh man, now we've got a big time matchup.
Now it's
It's a me. I'm a Mario.
It's Mario Kart versus Mario Monster Truck.
Mario Kart versus Mario Monster Truck.
Yeah.
Which one did he drive in the movie?
Mario Kart, not the shoe car.
Okay. Who drove the monster truck? Do you remember?
Toad.
Toad drove the monster truck. That's right.
It was kind of looking like a monster truck, but not bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was. Well, it wasn't a monster truck. Because
Cool.
It didn't look like this. But
Yeah.
different.
Okay. On your mark. Oh, I don't say that. Yeah, that's right. Very serious here. Whoa! And the car won again. I don't know about this jump, dude. What do you think, Luigi? I think it's too high.
Luigi, you're my best buddy.
Oh, thank you, Nolan. You're my pal, too.
Okay, so you said you wanted to watch Monster Truck, and so here it is.
Okay.
Let's go back. Okay. What is happening? It's like Cars versus Monster Truck. Okay, so now we're doing. Is this what comes? Now we're doing the snake one versus what is this one's name? That again?
I don't know. You call it like the Joker.
I call this one the Jokester, but
Yeah, they're both kind of purple and green.
yeah, but I don't. This one's not named as Jokester. This one's not the Jokester.
Yeah,
you know?
it's like a... Here, let me read the bottom.
Okay.
Oh, let's see. It says Clip Rod.
So this one's name is Clip Rod.
Yeah.
Okay. Clip Rod versus the Snake Monster Truck.
Clip Rod versus the Snake Monster Truck.
This next thing is where
And Luigi's going to watch with you.
Luigi,
On your mark. Get the set. Go!
actually don't say go. Luigi, are you watching?
I'm watching.
You're watching the camera, not the listen. Watch, they just go through.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
Okay. Daddy, that time the monster truck did good.
That's awesome. That's the first monster truck to make it.
I think these kind of monster trucks do good except for Mario.
Yeah. And Race Ace didn't do that great either.
Well, he didn't look like this.
Oh, okay. I thought he did. Did he not?
That's super.
Okay. Now it's the Battle of the Reds. What about the green? I'm sorry, Luigi. This one's Reds. Are you ready?
I'm sorry. Wait. Actually.
Are you sure not the green? Oh, there's a green.
Well, that's.
Not yet, though, Luigi. Come on.
It's the red car that's no Hot Wheel. It's.
So who is it? Who is it?
I have no idea. And this is Demo Derby.
Demo Derby.
And there's Mega Rex. That's some dinosaur.
Ah.
You know you're. Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yes. Are we filming? Yes, we are.
You're funny. Okay, I'm gonna move this like that. Come on, Demo Derby, pick up the.
Whoa! What'd you think, Luigi?
You said, why do you say Luigi? That's you.
I think the car won.
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
Okay. Car one. Can't believe it. Car one. Sorry, Monster Shark. And he's your brother Mario.
Oh!
Mario!
Hey, Mario!
What did I miss?
You missed a cool race.
Juanita! Wait, there's more! Yay!
Haha!
Luigi! Oh! What's this? Luigi, what is this?
It's a big Hot Wheels Monster truck versus car race.
Okay.
All right.
Now it's
Dinosaur versus dinosaur.
Megarex versus this one.
What about the Yoshi? Nope, not Yoshi today.
Yeah, we don't.
Other dinosaurs.
Yeah, because Yoshi got freeze in Ice World.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Actually, all the Yoshis got freezed.
All the Yoshis got freezed?
Yep.
Wow.
All my Mario Karts from Yoshi, except for Yoshi Tow Track.
Yeah, okay. Let's go. Whoa! Oh, neither one of them made it.
Okay, we gotta do that again.
Oh, let's do the next round.
No, when someone doesn't, if one doesn't win, they go again. Let's do this round again.
Okay.
I have no idea what happened. I have no idea. That's nothing.
They both didn't make it again. Are we just going to do this over and over? This is going to be the video? It's a tie. Okay, I like that.
Win, it's a tie.
Yeah. Let's
Monster
maybe
truck
scoot
tie,
this.
it's a monster truck tie.
There we go. Okay.
This is so easy. It's like car, monster truck, car, monster truck, car. It's kind of like a counter. You know what I'm saying? Next round, it's Hot Wheels Racing #1 versus this.
Ah! What's wrong, Luigi? It's a ghost. Oh, Luigi, I know you're afraid of ghosts, but these are monster trucks. They're white, and yeah, I know they look like ghosts because they're white, but they're really monster trucks and cars.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, hey, Ella.
And I just joined the video.
Ella just joined the video. We've been having Luigi fill in for you.
I don't want to be a spoiler, but there is a plan that we're having today.
Oh, my goodness.
We're going to our grandma and grandpa's today to see our cousins, Cooper and Callum.
All right.
They're both babies.
Yeah.
Cooper's 1 year old and Callum's just a baby.
Luigi's trying to steal the spotlight. He had taken over. Are you sure it's not Luigi and Nolan's fun
This
zone?
is not Boo. This is not Boo, Luigi. And Boo.
Woo. Ah!
Callum was born.
Okay, let's not announce birth dates on the YouTube channel. Okay?
Wait, Ella. So we already did a few races with you out.
Yeah.
So this is the race. We don't say race it go.
Okay.
So I'll show you this one. Are you marked? No, you don't say that. Go.
Whoa! The car made it.
Oh,
The ghost car. Ah!
it's not a ghost car.
Ah!
And I just stepped in a pile.
Oh no.
It's a pile.
We've got all our matchups
This
up here.
is baby Luigi.
Oh, hey, a baby Luigi.
Dada.
Ah! Ah! What are you doing to me? Baby, this is just what parenthood feels like. Ah!
Baby
Okay.
Luigi has a big head.
Oh my goodness. Ah! Ah!
Okay, what's the
This video is going off the rails, y'all.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, I like this one. It's a green.
It's Leonardo versus Michelangelo.
Leonardo versus Michelangelo.
We have
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
We did have these, like this one a car and this one's a monster truck. Like,
Yeah.
we had those two.
That's awesome. Teenage Mutant Ninja
No,
Turtles.
I'll sing it. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Heroes in Half Shell. Turtle Power. And you say the part.
Okay, that's enough. Let's race.
Here comes the shark.
What? Okay.
Wait.
Race.
There's something wrong.
What's wrong?
Megarex is out of the way.
Oh my goodness. This video is going to be way too long, guys.
No, it's not. We only have 1, 2, 3,
This part of the video is already 11 minutes.
Love it.
And Daddy doesn't edit down, so.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh my goodness. Okay, go! Oh, let's see. Oh! Oh, it's a tie. They both made it all the way down. That was awesome.
Yeah. And this is Shark.
Ah!
It was about to eat the cell phone.
Oh my goodness.
It was about to eat the video. That's about to eat me.
Okay, that's enough screaming.
No, it's what is this monster truck's
Ooh.
name? What is
That is Bigfoot Orange, I think.
No, it's the name.
Oh, Master Flow or something like that?
Okay, so we got Master Flow versus Extreme Blast.
Extreme Blast.
The shark just bit my nose.
Oh my goodness. What's happening?
What is happening? And I finally got it up. Seriously.
Seriously. Whoa, the booster car made it all the way.
Yep.
This video is taking so long.
How long has it been? 18 minutes.
13 minutes on this part, and we had another part before this. I just don't even know. This is our life now, in this room, with a Luigi.
Not alive.
Come on. Okay, we got 3 more to get through.
Yeah. So it's Megalodon Dragonoid.
Whoa, Megalodon Dragonoid? That is quite a mouthful.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's see the other one.
Versus a glow-in-the-dark car.
Oh, yeah, they're both kind of orangey.
Wait, what is this one called? I forget. So
Let me see.
We still have 6.
Let's see here.
Now it's
It
4.
is called Turbine Sublime.
Versus Turbine Sublime. I know. I heard because this one is the shark's about to eat you, Dad.
Come on, boy.
Dad. The shark's
Yes.
about to eat.
Ah! I'm trying to just film a race here. Come on. Okay. Ah! Ah! Let's go.
Walking wheel.
Hey, that one did a flip and landed. That was awesome.
Oh, boy.
I give it a 10 with my boy, baby Luigi.
Dad.
This has become a Father's Day episode.
Our
It's
first.
next week.
It's our first car loser. It's our first car loser.
First car loser. Okay, we've got 2 more races. Let's get through.
Let's go.
Next one. This one is a good one for Ella. Because one of Ella's favorite colors?
That is Purple Rain.
Purple Rain.
And it has a bit of pink on it. See?
Really?
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh, cool.
So pink, Purple Rain. we're
Pink,
calling
Purple Rain.
it. And this versus Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger.
Shark,
That is the shark.
keep it down.
Roger Dodger.
Oh my goodness.
This is getting so out of hand.
It is getting so out of hand. Whoa.
We're down to the last.
The last one. The last race.
Okay, so I think it's a tie.
You think it's a tie? Okay.
I think it's a tie. I want to join.
You're in charge. Hey, Race Ace already raced and lost, okay?
That was this racing.
Oh, okay. There's no do-overs. I'm terribly sorry.
And the shark is here.
Oh my goodness.
Baby.
Da 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 da. Batman
Okay.
versus Batman.
This is the Batman Arkham Asylum.
Batman Arkham Asylum.
Shark? Yeah. Why are you hitting me? Yeah, that's.
Oh my goodness.
And this is the Batman monster.
Whoa. And
It's
this.
hitting my funny bone.
Come on, Shark.
It's hitting my funny bone.
Come on. That's not nice.
It was hitting my funny bone.
Listen, Shark, we're just all trying to have fun here. Okay.
Isn't Sharky ruining our fun?
Yeah. Okay, last race. Last race. Let's all watch.
Now Sharky's
Whoa.
hitting you, Dad.
Batmobile monster truck. Oh my goodness, he flipped and landed. He stuck it. I think that was our best race. You cheated it. Oh my goodness.
Now you get out of the way, baby Luigi.
Ah, the shark is getting a baby Luigi. Oh no.
You, Luigi.
Oh, get back. Get back. Get back. Okay. Can we wrap this one up?
Yeah.
So who's the winner overall? All these guys. Let's recap. Okay. Look at all these cool guys. Oh, let me get their look from over here. Okay. Well, cool. So what do we say at the end? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And
Don't forget to like and subscribe.